Welcome to IonQ Inc.'s technical analysis. IonQ Inc. is plunging, a critical shakeout may be underway. The stock dropped 9.4% today, and the 30-day trend suggests an uptrend. The price is showing strength on longer timeframes, but recent weakness below EMA 9 could point to short-term selling pressure or consolidation. A potential mid-term resistance is seen around $78, supported by a cluster of prior highs in this zone. Between the mid and long-term targets, a notable resistance may appear near $84.64, based on previous swing highs. If momentum continues beyond mid-term resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $91.60, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A rising trendline is supporting the current price structure. The price remains above this trendline near $40.79, suggesting that the upward momentum is still valid. A recent upward gap remains unfilled between $25.93 and $26.27, highlighting a zone of strong support. If the price pulls back to close this gap, it may temporarily drop by around 60.5% from current levels before rebounding. Recent weakness under EMA 9 and the trendline suggests short-term hesitation despite long-term support. Momentum is fading, MACD and RSI signal weakness. A similar MACD cycle from September 12 to November 4 led to a price increase of approximately 94.7%. Long-term structure, price remains inside the broader trend channel. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. After approaching the prior swing high, the next upside marker is the 1.618 extension around 77.52. Short-term structure, price remains inside the broader trend channel. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. Volatility is high based on ATR, while trading volume is normal compared to recent averages. The RSI is below its smoothed version. Current RSI is 48.7, while smoothed RSI is 62.8. There is no divergence between the price and RSI. Momentum is aligned with the trend, supporting the current price direction. Technical outlook for IonQ Inc. scored 4 out of 10, a weak setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is below all EMAs, downward pressure remains. Closest EMA is EMA 50 at $60.01, currently acting as support. A rising support trendline near $40.79 is currently holding, reinforcing the upward momentum. A midterm target stands near $78, drawn from repeatedly tested highs in the recent range. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $91.60. Between midterm and long-term levels, an important resistance appears around $84.64. This could act as an intermediate decision point before price reaches the long-term projection. Nearest Fibonacci level is $54.74, acting as support. With price above the previous major high, the next Fibonacci extension to watch is $77.52, Fib 1.618. Breakdown below regression channel, target is around $52.29. Top news for IonQ Inc. News 1, Jim Cramer on IonQ, huge loss-making quantum computing company, via Yahoo Finance, on 67 hours ago. Those are the key headlines. Thank you for watching technical analysis of IonQ Inc. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.